Welcome back to one more video of my channel Ishika Banerjee, and in this channel I make videos regarding the syllabus of class 6 to 10 biology. I am sorry for not being able to make videos since long, as the class schedule was highly hectic. It's not that it's not hectic now, but somehow I am trying to make consistent YouTube videos. Let's see how much I am able to give you through this channel. I will try my level best to give you as much as possible. There are few ongoing as existing students that I teach offline batches. They are also viewing these videos for their revision purpose. And to the YouTube students who will be new to this video, please cooperate and I will try to have the video as much as informative I can make it easier for you. Okay, so let's start with the chapter known as tissue. In the earlier videos, if you see, I have made a lot of video regarding the chapter of cell. This time I am starting with tissue. I will be making a playlist of tissue. This time my motto is to have the videos short so that you can able to see, like you can make a timeline. These two videos I will be watching Monday, or these two videos on Tuesday, Wednesday. So I will be making a playlist of tissue where you can go and see all the parts of the tissue. This tissue is based for both ICSE and CBSE, both syllabus, so it won't be much of a problem. Let's not waste time and let's start with the video. Okay, so if you see, tissue is nothing but, in the previous video if you have seen, a lot of cells together makes up tissue. We have lot of cells. Suppose there are many cells together, they will make up tissue, which we know, it's nothing new to us. So can I say, if somebody asks us to define tissue, we can say a bundle of cells, but here the main word that comes in, bundle of what cell? It has to be bundle of similar cells. So what do I mean by bundle of similar cells is that, suppose I am taking few cells of my heart and I am taking few cells of my brain. Will it form a tissue? No, it will not form a tissue. If you have to form a tissue, whatever cells you are taking, the area have to be similar. If I am taking all the cells of my heart, then the cells should be same. If I am taking cells of my brain, then all the cells has to be from my brain. You cannot take half and half, that is not possible. So whatever cells you are taking, it has to be same. So can I say my location is same to similar location? Think about one more thing. The brain, that the cells that are present in my brain will do a particular function. They have a particular thing to do. Their function is specific. The cells that are present in my heart, they have a particular function to do. So can I say, if my area is becoming same, can I say my function is also becoming specific? So now if I am framing the definition of tissue, we can say tissue is a bundle of similar cells performing a specific function. Please write tissue is a bundle of similar cell performing a specific function. In this definition, the two keywords that you will come up is similar cells and specific function. Is this clear to you or not? So the two important keywords are, one, it will be similar cell. Second, they have to be specific in function. Is this much clear to you or not? Any doubt till this much? Okay. So basically, there are two types of tissues that we will be doing. One, completely of plant tissue. Second, completely of animal tissue. These are the two tissues which we have to do in this chapter. Okay, first let's start with plant tissue. After completing plant tissue, we will be going to the next part known as animal tissue. Is it clear? Okay. Give the heading as, please take out a notebook and write all these, because only hearing will not help. Have two work. Like you are doing a proper class, make it in a proper way. Give the heading as a plant tissue. Is it clear? Give the heading as plant tissue. Okay. So if I have to say, first first let's make the flowchart of plant tissue. It's important for us to know whatever we are doing. If I have to say, plant tissue can be broadly classified into two parts. One, meristematic tissue. Second, permanent tissue. These are the two types of tissue. One, the meristematic tissue. Second, the permanent tissue. Is it clear? Okay. Now, the thing that we need to understand is, if I say that you are permanent to my channel, please be permanent to my channel. If I say if you are permanent to my channel, that means what? You will be watching all the videos that I give. You will be sticking to my channel. That is what is meant by permanent. Means they will not move from one place to another. Exactly opposite of permanent is meristematic. Means actively dividing cell. Today you are seeing my video. Tomorrow you will be seeing somebody else's video. That is what we meant by meristematic. So meristematic means the cells, we are talking about tissue, that means what? I have to use a term called cells. So all the cells of meristematic tissue are actively dividing, whereas all the cells of permanent tissue have lost the ability to divide. They will not divide. They will do some other function. Is it clear to you? So under meristematic tissue, please write cells who actively divide. Under permanent tissue, write cells who have lost the ability to divide. Is it clear to you or not? Okay. Now, this is one division. This is done. Difference can come in your exam. So, please go through this properly. Okay. Now, if I am talking about meristematic tissue, I can say meristematic tissue can be further divided into three parts. Is it clear? One is known as apical. Second one is known as cambium, which you can also call as lateral. And the last one is known as intercalary. These are the three types of meristematic tissue. The tissue who run from here to here, here to here. That means what? They are actively dividing cells. So number one is called apical, number two is called cambium, and number three is called intercalary. I am making this video till this much. This part, meristematic, will be covered in the next part of this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I am trying to be as much frequent to making the videos to you. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe.